My goodness, it was so hard to find the resources and get inside the factory of dairy milk, but today I'm so happy that I finally did it.
Yeah, I'm gonna share it all with you. You excited?
Why wouldn't you? It's your favorite chocolate bar after all. From biting directly into the chocolate bar
to pouring it in several desserts, it's been the topmost choice of sweet freaks and expert chefs.
Inside these pods are the beans, but at this point, they don't taste or smell anything like the chocolate you know.
Did you know Cadbury Dairy Milk's cocoa mainly comes from West Africa, especially Ivory Coast and Ghana? Why these regions? It's all about the perfect climate.
Warm, humid, and with just the right amount of rain to grow best quality cocoa. And these countries have these conditions that make it ideal for growing high-quality cocoa beans. Whoa, look at that beauty though.
When it's time for automated milking, they trick these cows with their daily dose of entertainment.
Roaming and feeding right from the heart of lush green pastures. Now the machines work in a smooth, gentle way that keeps the cows comfortable while collecting the milk. The collected milk is then pumped into storage tanks, where it stays fresh and untouched until it reaches the dedicated factories. Cadbury Dairy Milk uses both sugarcane and sugar beet as sources of sugar in its products. So, the choice between these two sources is often influenced by regional availability, environmental factors, and cost considerations.
Around 80% of sugar production comes from sugarcane,
which thrives in tropical climates, while the remaining 20% comes from sugar beets, cultivated in cooler regions. While sugarcane tends to caramelize better
and offers a slightly fruity aroma, sugar beet can have an earthy note.
and the blend of both the sugar forms gives that ultimate sweetness and aroma we all experience in dairy milk chocolate.
It's amazing to see how raw ingredients turn into creamy, rich chocolate.
When the chocolate mass is placed in a special machine that gently heats and stirs it for hours.
While the constant stirring makes the mixture smoother and finer.
When these experts will give a heads up, the chocolate would be loaded into the hoppers to get into shape. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds, shaped like bars here. But how do they get it right every time? It's because these machines fill each mold precisely
and controls every movement, from tapping to cooling down, to make sure you get the perfect bar every time.
It's amazing how much care goes into every bite.
The moment these chocolate bars got cooled down, they're bit rubbed to get the perfectly aligned bars.
Dairy milk is not just a normal chocolate bar. It's a shared experience that has traveled across continents.
You know, in Australia, most people crave the locally inspired twists that enhance the classic taste.
From birthday parties to quiet evenings, Cadbury always finds its way into small and big moments alike.
There's no need to worry about packaging when modern robotic arms are here. They handle every task precisely, minimizing mistakes and ensuring